I've got it from here, boy. Why don't you take the day off?
Thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow.
You, Blacksmith, take my sword. It needs reforging.
Of course, my lord. As soon as I finish my current project, I'll work on your weapon.
You attend to it now. I am a knight of Lord Garth, and I will not be kept waiting.
I apologize, sir, but this sword is my first priority.
You will regret this, peasant. Blacksmiths are absolutely useless. I wish they never existed.
Where did he go? But he was right there. Well.
What the?
What? My armor! What was I thinking? Blacksmiths are important. I wish that blacksmith would come back.
Where am I?
My friend, it is good to see you.